And touchdown. Landing coming at 6:44 a.m. Central Time, 7:44 a.m. Eastern Time. Ricky Arnold, Drew Feustel, and Oleg Artemyev back on planet Earth.
By search and recovery personnel, they'll be placed in the center seat that you'll be seeing hopefully here in a minute. And then we'll get the two American astronauts, Drew Feustel, the Expedition 56 commander, and Ricky Arnold, his flight engineer. The second of the crew members now being extracted. We'll see who that is here in a moment. And this should be, I believe, should be Drew Feustel. Yes, indeed, Drew Feustel.
And Ricky just now coming into view for all of our viewers. We can see him getting lowered down in the chair. The third and final crew member out of that Soyuz spacecraft.
Person arriving. Ricky, how was the ride down?